Guys, so I've got the last spark plug down. I'm gonna get the air box here. Get the air box put back in. I want to take this off first. I already got it broke loose. So we can get to the distributor cap. So there's one hose here on the side. Put your cap here, don't lose it. One hose you got to take off. One hose comes off. This is out of the way. Let's just get this air box back in here so we're not doing too much stuff at one time. This just sets back in like that. And there's another one down here. Just kind of pushes down. That's it. A wrench, one nut, 10 millimeter. Put this back on. That's it, done. Alright, so now make sure you got your stool. We're gonna go for the cap and rotor. It's a 7 millimeter. Grab a couple of wrenches in case the rotor, the cap is, which this is a cap. This is the new rotor and cap in case they get stuck. So we got to take this off real quick, which is 7 millimeter. All right, we got that side. We got the other side. So kind of bend that out of the way. Hopefully you can kind of see that. Can you see it? Okay. So the cap, the rotors usually just pop right off. That one's not, so grab the old pliers. Let's see if we can get this thing off here. Holy shish kebab. This thing's not easy. It's a little rusted on here, so what I've done before is I've just broken it off because that's what I've done. We got a new one. I'm going to try to save it here, but we're not having any luck here. So it's a little rusty there on that shaft, so it's probably stuck. Alright guys, we're going to take a break on this. I got to get this thing off and I don't want you sitting here watching me.